You might already know what the video is about. Yes, it's about a VSL. Basically, what a VSL is, it's a video sales letter where you can educate your prospect, give them some advice, tips and tricks, some insights, market insights, and then at the end you can just sell them your service or product. So let's see, why do you actually need a VSL? So the main and the biggest reason for using a VSL in your sales funnel is you can actually sell them without even booking a call with them. Prospects are actually warmed up before the call as they already know how you can help them. Using this VSL funnel, the leads you book call with are really high intent and pre-qualified. And here's how we ensure that. You see, when you use cold emails to book calls, it's actually a very frictional process. And what I mean by friction here is, like, if they do not like your offer, they can just ignore your mail. But if they do like your offer, they have to reply to the mail, watch the VSL, and then book a call. So it's a bit longer process. So there are three big frictional steps they have to take to book a call with you. Firstly, they have to reply, then they have to watch a long VSL video that you send to them, and then they can book a call. So it's a bit longer process. So they most probably have already decided whether they want to purchase your service or product or not. It's just they have some objections or doubts they have to clear in the call and how they can proceed further. So mostly it's a one call close as they are satisfied with what you provide. If you want to see a perfect example of a VSL, you can just check out leadsfold.com. It's my landing page, and that's what I personally use as a VSL to book calls with my prospects. Yeah, so you can just check out that video after this. Let's see how this VSL funnel complements our email campaigns and how you can combine it in your email campaigns too. So this is how our process really works. Generally, what a normal lead generation agency would do is they would just state what services do you provide and would you like to book a free 30-minute strategy session with us, or would you like to book a call to discuss more with a CT, something like this. Instead, what our process looks like is we take a general industry problem, solve that, provide solution to that problem in the mail. Like it will be also too much personalized, stating what they can do to prevent that problem. These kind of emails generally get a really low reply rate. The only reason being, no one would like to book a call with a stranger who they don't know could solve their problem or not. This is just another random guy popping up in their inbox and just directly selling their services. That's the main thing you have to avoid. Do not ever sell in the headline or subject line, or try to avoid selling in the first mail itself without providing any value. Instead, what we use is not some generic mail copy like every other lead generation agency. We take common industry problems that your prospect will most likely be facing and provide some kind of solution combined with a lead magnet like an ebook, a PDF containing like how they can get more clients, anything like that, which will be really valuable to them. But this is not the end. What attracts them more to reply to that mail is the CTA we'll be using. We'll be using CT something like, would you like to see a quick 5-minute video showing how we did this? Or would you like to see a quick video showing how we were able to accomplish X with company X? Referring to a case study above. And this kind of permission based value CTA works much better than the previous one. The simple reason being, we are still asking to add more value through a video and thus increasing the reply rate. Once they reply, we'll just send them the VSL where our main selling happens. Thus, it's very important to make a high converting VSL that builds trust and credibility between you and the prospect. Here are the three characteristics of a perfect VSL. First one is a good hook or a big promise that retains the audience until the end of the video. Second, your VSL should always be educating or solving a particular problem of your target audience. Third is the clear and concise CTA along with using urgencies, bonuses, scarcities, and guarantees, which will increase the chances of your target audience taking the action. Let's hop on to the main point, how to make a high converting VSL for your business. So this is structure I follow. I generally give it to all my clients. So it starts with firstly a hook, and this is how you can start your video. How to get from state 1 to state 2 without pain point using mechanism or risk reversal. That's the framework for the hook. Second, call out for your target audience. Be very specific who you want to work with. Encourage their dreams. Like if you want this X amount in X months, or especially qualify those like who you don't want to work with. Like if you are still starting out, this is not for you. Just state it clearly like this, so you will just qualify your audience better. Then show some case studies like how you achieved X results for previous clients. It's better if you use a video testimonial. It's not, it's okay, you can just show them the documents or results. After that, build credibility, introduce yourself, show them your previous work experience and everything. Once you have introduced yourself and build some credibility and trust with them, you have to educate them on some topic, provide them some solution of any problem you are stating and you are solving in your main product or anything it could be. So next two steps, 5 and 6, will be the educational steps. Then the 7th step would be summarizing previous 2 educational steps, give them a short summary. Step number 8 will be showing them their next steps. What I did in my VSL is just gave them 2 options, like they can just do it themselves, or they can partner up with us. So you can just do the same, like you can just show them 2 alternatives, and your alternative should be the better one, so they'll most probably choose yours. In step number 9, you can show them some case studies again. It's better if you show video testimonials, and again state who this video specifically is for. Step number 10 would be showing them some quick and dirty benefits. It could be maximum 5 to 7 benefits like they'll getting after working with you. You can use sentences like you'll be able to get X amount in the next 3 months, or you'll be saving 50 to 60 hours every week if you're working with us, something like that. In step number 11, you'll be showing them all the deliverables they'll get if they work with you. Be clear, like you'll be running ads for them, you'll be setting up all the SEO prerequisites and everything, or you'll be setting up all the email accounts if you're giving lead generation as a service, and show all the features in that. Then lastly, you'll be summarizing your offer, CTA, like book a call right now, everything. And like I won't recommend you state your pricing in the video. Once they book a call, tell them according to their needs, because pricing may vary according to their budget, according to their needs, industry, etc. So just summarize your offer and give a call to action. So this is how you can create and record a high converting VSL for your business. And like if you still need some more assistance, you can just contact me anytime on LinkedIn or email. I'll be happy to help you out with that. So if you want to book meetings on Autopilot and want me to generate leads for you, you can just book a meeting, and the link is given in the description. Like, share and subscribe to get daily tips and tricks on lead generation, sales and marketing, and copywriting. Bye bye. That's it for now.